बुधवारा नगर नियोजन खात्याचे मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय हांणी थळाव्या लोकां वांगडा बोंडवेल तळ्याची पळोवणी केली। ह्या तळ्याचेर कसलेच कामांक परवाने दिवचे नात, तशेंच जे कोण ह्या सुवातेर जमीन भरपाचे काम करता तांचे आड पुलीस कागाळ केल्ली आसा अशें मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय हांणी पत्रकारांकडेन उलयतना सांगलें। आरडेस्को खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
What they are doing is they are blocking the access of the public. This is a public lake, declared a public lake during the Portuguese time. It is a heritage lake, not created by one person, not created by the department, but created by the comunidad of Kalapur. So they have got no right to barricade this and stop the access of the public.
This is a Portuguese era irrigation system that was evolved, locally evolved, and that needs to be conserved. आता टाउन प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंटाचो मिनिस्टर म्हणून म्हज्यान एक सांगूंक जाता की आमी हांगा कसलेंच परमिशनाक कोणाकूच दिवचें ना। जे कोण फिलिंग करतालो ताजेर आमी FIR फायल केल्ली आहा। देर इज अ पुलीस कंप्लेंट फायल ऑल्सो विथ द बायोडायवर्सिटी बोर्ड and we will go to see that the person is penalized. Now looking at the water resource issue, the issue is a sub judice matter, but the comunidad is showing willingness to have an acquisition by consent. The water resource minister is committed to developing this. I want to specially reply to the statement by the Goa Bachao Andolan today. आणि म्हणला की गोंयकारपणान विजय सरदेसाय गोंयकारपणाचें उलयता, गोंयच्यो नॅचरल स्प्रिंग्स आनी नॅचरल हेरिटेज आमची राखपाचेर कितें करता काय म्हणून गोवा बचाव आंदोलनान स्टेटमेंट काडले आसतले। स्टेटमेंट पेपरार येवन 3-4 वरां जाल्यार आमी हांगा पाविल्ले आहा। आज गोवा बचाव आंदोलनान हो पणवल लेकीचो इशू घेवंक जाय आसलो, खंय आहा ती गोवा बचाव आंदोलन, पूण आमी हांगा आहा। We are as concerned as the civil society about Goa's natural and architectural heritage. As town planning as well as water resource minister, E Lake will be an example in the couple of years down the line of our government's commitment to preserving Goa's natural heritage, and we are going to do it. See, I am with the villagers. I am with the villagers, which is why I have come here. So this is a problem.
Thank you. Anything on rehabilitation of the tenant?
See, the tenant ताका काही रस्त्यार आमी उडोवंक सोदना, पूण ते एक टेनंटा खातीर लेक बुडोवंक सोदना। लेक म्हणटी गरजेची, टेनंटूय टेनंटाक हक्क आहा, पूण एक टेनंट जर लेकूच बंद करता आनी एक टेनंटा खातीर एक येदी व्हडली प्री पोर्चुगीज प्री लिबरेशन हेरिटेजूच जर काबार जाता, then I think the government has to act. फाल्यांच्यान ताणी consent हाडनी, tenantचो consent फाल्यां हाडनी, फाल्यांच्यान आमी land acquisition start करता.
Here the tenant is not willing to, so what is
no, then we'll have to do something by which
it is a slightly
who says he is not willing to, we'll have to see. पण एक tenant जर एक येदी व्हडली lake आडावंक शकता, then I think there is something wrong with the system.
Something wrong.
You all have to convince him. We'll also try to convince him. We'll incentivize him. खंय तरी ताका rehabilitate करूया, कितें तरी करूया मरे। तो असो हांगा रावता, तो कितें बरो रावता,
हांगा आहा तो तिचो।
Is he comfortable? Let's make him comfortable. Let's make everyone comfortable. करूया।